Okay, so here we can see two CP engines, and they are working on shunting a train. Here you can see them pulling out with a lot of tankers. I don't know where they were ending up in the end, but I think they moved down the yard. But that was that train switching. I had a lot more footage, but I only used a little of it because it's mostly the same of it going back and forth with these tankers. And there is the first ever CPKC engine that I've seen and filmed, leading this intermodal. As this train is on its way, you can see all the flags waving about, and those are from the International Bridge in Sudbury. This is Sudbury station area, and they have this bridge that have a whole bunch of flags, and I don't know if it has every single country, but it has a lot of them. So yeah. And that is one of the Bud Hardy Seas that will be seen in the next videos. I believe that they stay overnight in some sort of shop or shed building that they have here in Sudbury as a part of the yard, and then they go back the next day to White River because the full route is not ending at Chapleau, it's ending at White River. I think it used to go even further as well, but budget cuts and things had it cut back. And there we have our first DPU. I say first because this train had two. And this one's just a normal CP engine. And we have a meet. So this is another intermodal train and led by a normal CP engine. And again, like mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is actually in 2 times speed so that you can see the trains go by faster and it doesn't take as long to watch. If you want me to make a full-length video of this, then I will do that. Just let me know in the comments below. And we have our final DPU. for the first train. The second train, we have not seen any DPUs yet. And there it is, another normal CP engine. At this point in time, the two engines that we've seen from earlier working around the yard were elsewhere. And I believe that those two bare tables were carrying wheel axles. And there we have the entering DPU. So those are those two intermodal trains going away. And also, I believe that this is great because the engines seem to be working hard. And you don't see any smoke when it's going this direction. Also, this train has a KCS engine, which is cool. A lot of wood chips. Now we skip a bit to the DPU because this train was going very, very slowly as it eventually stopped. But here's another DPU, KCS. And as you can see, even with 2 times speed, this train is on its way to stopping, even though the end is right past the station.